Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are looking at some stuff that came in the mail this morning. I got more stuff coming, and then if it's too much stuff, it starts to become a really long video. So this is 3 orders that came in the mail. I'm going to try to get through them quickly with, letting you get a look at them. So the first thing was from DEK. So this was an order I placed weeks ago. I don't remember exactly. It was whenever that. Oh, I have a receipt, right? Somewhere. That's the wrong one, so it's this one. I place a lot of orders from them. Okay, so this is from December 12th. So they're really catching up with the orders now. So this was the this was a Sunday special order. So it was the Crimson Rose, and I got the Rose Gold Sparkle Foil, and then I got some other stuff. So, but that was a Sunday special kit. That kit is still in the store. It's just not at that Sunday price anymore. Alright, let's see. So, well, alright, so you get the, oops, it's upside down. So you always get a sticker sheet. If you use my code, you get a different sticker sheet. So this is the one that I get. And I used like the whole thing, I think, last week or 2 weeks ago on one of the spreads. So that was cool. And then there's always like a little thing stuck to the thank you sticker. And it's usually one of the decorated paper clips. So this one's really cute. It's like a little hanging black cat. So I thought that was really, oops. I thought that was really cute. So that's going to go with my paper clip collection. I kind of have to rotate them, although it's easy with the Christmas one now because Christmas is over, so I put that one away until next year. Alright, so we got our February monthly kit. One of my favorites. I think this was like my very first favorite, actually. They just released March yesterday, so I of course ordered that. So this is in, no it is, okay. This is in rose gold foil. It's February, it's pink. I went with the rose gold. I like this. This is very pretty. This is going to look good in my planner. And we've got, what do we got here? Really? They made a sidebar. They made a sidebar. And little boxes. And then all these little stickers. So we've got 4 that say payday. And then we've got Etsy and Amazon, credit cards, laundry machines, planners, shopping carts, church, medicines, hearts, computers, all kinds of stuff. And then we've got these decorative matching flags up here. I don't know. Am I getting this stuff under the camera? Because I had to move the camera again, and I'm using earbuds, so I'm trying to keep the wire out. But this stuff's really cute. And a couple boxes over here, and another one of these header with 2 boxes under it. And then there's the deco sheet, which has the currently stuff we're going to do, currently pages in February. I want to see how they come out. And then it's got a bunch of other stuff and, some people. Do I have any February birthdays? No. Okay. And then this sheet of boxes, which is really cute. See, it's funny. It's how good stickers are. This actually looked textured, and it's not. That's hysterical. This one says love, and there's a bunch of different ones with flowers. And these are all pretty much, like, these are one of these half boxes, 3/4 boxes. I should learn my lesson about pulling the sticker off the sheet. And then these are all the smaller boxes. So some are more decorative, and some have space for you to write. And then I, of course, whenever I get my monthly overview, I get the wacky holidays. So we're going to do Wacky Holidays when we do this one, and that will be coming up soon because we are already, let's see, second week of January. So February will be upon us quickly. Alright, so there's that, and then there was the Sunday special kit I got. I just want to make sure. Yeah, that's all that's left in this one. Well, there's more, but this is the only complete kit. So this was the Crimson Rose, so I got this in the rose gold sparkle foil, which makes it kind of hard to tell it's rose gold, honestly. But this is a really pretty kit. I figured it would be good for Valentine's Day, or, well, really any time in February. But I really like this one. It's really just super pretty. And then, you know, you get the sheet of people. And the date dots. And then we've got the decorative flags up here. And they look like little like apartment views and stuff. Except for those two. And then there's the scalloped headers, the scalloped half circle, half boxes, the bows, the work stickers, and then some decorative stickers. What is that one? What? I am not sure what that one is. It's cool, but I have no idea what that is. Okay, jewelry, perfume, purses, lipstick, nail polish, Valentine's, getting ready to go out kind of stuff. And then we've got our boxes. These are really cute. And the habit trackers. And then we've got this page with the 3-heart checklist boxes, 5-heart checklist box, the clipboard, the Monday through Sunday, and then these boxes down here with the strips on top. And then you got the usual words down here: happy mail, movie night, errands, payday, laundry, tidy up, Walmart, shopping list, all that stuff. And then there is this sheet with the glitter headers and the today's, to-dos, meals, exercise, all of that, and the 5 3-heart checklists, the weekend banner, the scallop that can go with it or go wherever you want, and then the 3 two-toned flags with the glitter on them. So that's really cool. This was really pretty. I saw this one and I was like, oh, I have to have that one. But I say that about a lot of them. Not all of them, but a lot of them. And then the other thing I got was 2, because you're limited to 2 per order if they have them, oopsie bags. So I took everything out of the plastic because I'm sick of us having to listen to plastic rustle. So when I can avoid it, I'm going to. So of what came, these are the smaller pieces. So there was this, and then this December foily sheet, which I probably already have, but I think mine was more of a peachy color. And then there's these green foil sheets, but they're missing like one particular sticker, so I don't know what happened, but something went wrong there. And then there's this sparkly, I guess this is hollow foil, little stickers, little accents, they're cute. And then there's some red glittery foil ones, but this one's missing and that one's missing, so I guess that's why they're oopses. There might be more than that missing. No, just those 2. And then this whole pile right here is all from the sub box. It's all from the January sub box, which I've already shown you guys, but I haven't done like a plan with me other than the monthly kit that came in it. But the monthly kit that came in it, parts of it are right here. And then here's the cool, the Januaries and the 2022s. And what else we got here? People. And the glitter headers and the weekend and all that. And the boxes. So I've got even more boxes now. So this is going to stretch my sub box even further, depending on what's cut wrong or whatever makes them an oopsie. That one's kind of obvious, I think. You shouldn't be here. But yeah, so that was really cool when I found that. And then I got this stuff, which I have no idea where it comes from, but there's habit trackers in here, so that was cool. Sometimes I think they cut through a little too much too, which makes them an oops. So, I don't know what kits these are from. More words, excuse me, are always good. I've got lots of extra glitter headers that I'm still trying to figure out what to do with. And more words and check boxes. And then this is like super bright. I don't remember seeing this on the website. I'm going to have to look and see what kit that comes out of, because that is just crazy bright. So that was my oopsie box, and that's my whole order from DEK that came. There are more coming. As a matter of fact, I was looking at the ones that are coming, and it turns out in 2 separate orders, like 2 weeks, a week apart, something like that. I ordered the same exact kit, one in silver foil and one in rose gold. Exact same kit. How I didn't realize I already ordered it, I have no idea. So that's going to be interesting. Maybe I'll give one of those away. What do you think? Should we do another giveaway? All right, and then this one's real quick. I got these stamps. Shoot, what's the name of the place I got them? It's like people something or person something. I forget. I'll look at the order and I'll pop it up on the screen. They shipped pretty fast. I think I ordered these last week, so they didn't take very long to get here. So this is an audiobook sticker set because I'm going to do a reading journal, and I've been trying to find book stickers, and I guess everybody else or stamps. So I guess everyone else on the planet is looking for book stamps too, because it's really hard to find them. So I got these, and I figured, well, at least I got something to start with. So yeah, really cute. I peeled off this thing earlier, and then I had trouble getting it back on, so I'm going to try to not do that until I use them. And then the last thing was JoJo's Pastel Boxes sticker book, which I was super excited about because I do a lot of pastels, especially like in my wellness planner, and finding enough boxes in the colors I want is not easy, and this is just really cool. I was hoping she would do pastels. I didn't know she was going to do them in January, but I was hoping she was going to do pastels. So this is really cool. And there's some nice colors in here, and then there's yellow. But the rest of them are pretty good. So this is going to come in super handy, and you'll probably see this a lot, and probably really soon, because I still have to do my wellness spread. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.